Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Kona key. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on, which will help prevent losing any small parts during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement. Next, you need to access the mechanical key. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and the mechanical key will spring out. Carefully pull the mechanical key completely out of its slot. This step is crucial for gaining access to the internal components of the fob. Now, it's time to separate the key fob halves. Find the small notch, typically located near where the mechanical key was inserted. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle but firm twist, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Finally, let's replace the battery and reassemble. Note the orientation of the old battery before you remove it. Typically, the positive side faces up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Reinsert your mechanical key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.